Today we will study the famous Bessel's equation. Bessel's equation. This equation and Bessel's functions occur many applications of engineering and physics. So this is a second order ODE in the form y. So where p is a parameter, this p is a parameter, and this is called Bessel equation of order p. And we start with Bessel's equation of order 0, that is for p equal to 0. So we have x square y double prime plus xy prime plus x square y equal to 0, and we look for a solution, in particular power series solution. So we write it in standard form. So where p is 1 by x and q is 1, and singular point is 0, and you can check that limit x goes to 0, xpx is finite, and also limit x goes to 0, x square qx is finite. So x equal to 0 is a regular singular point. So what we do, we take Frobenius series solution. Okay, so an x power n plus r. So plug in all values in given equation. So x square y double prime plus xy prime plus x square y. So substitute y double prime, y prime and y, and simplify. So we got first, and writing n equal to 0 to infinity, x square y double prime, so n plus r minus 1. Okay, so an x power n plus r. So I am adjusting x square here. Second term is xy dash, so n equal to 0 to infinity, n plus r, an x n plus r, and last term is summation 0 to infinity. Last term is x square y, so an x power n plus r plus 2. So we need to make shift in last sum only. So start this sum from 2 to infinity, so that we can get x power n plus r. So replace n with n minus 2. So now write for n equal to 0 from first two terms. Okay, and then write for n equal to 1, and the rest of the terms can be clubbed together, 2 to infinity. So I can combine first two as n plus r square an. Okay, just simple calculation. So rest is similar, so multiply by x n plus r. So now r minus 1 equal to 0 give you two roots. So this is initial equation. So we got two roots, 1 and 0. So this is r minus 1. should we we have skipped second term here, so r minus 1 from first, but second also give you for n equal to 0, that will give you r. So you have just r square equal to 0. So I made a little mistake. So r equal to 0 and 0. So both roots are equal. So we will get only one solution. So for r equal to 0, we also have a1 equal to 0 from second, and the recurrence relation is an equal to minus an minus 2 upon n square, n running from 2 and 3 etc. So a1 equal to 0 implies that all odd coefficients are 0. So we only have even coefficients. So even coefficient, first a2 is minus a0 divided by 2 square, a4 is minus a2 divided by 4 square, or you can write minus 1 square a0 upon 2 square 4 square etc. So in general you have a2k or a2n even coefficients minus 1 power k a0 division 2 power 2k, then factorial k square. So we have one power series solution, y1 equal to, so you can take a0 equal to 1. So one solution is minus 1 power n, you can write n, and then x by 2 power n, then factorial n square. Okay, so and this function, this is called Bessel's function of first kind of order 0, and it is denoted by, so sometime it is denoted by J0x. Okay, so we got one solution, and we have repeated root, so second solution can be obtained by reduction of order, but here you don't have a simple series, so you have to do little bit manipulation. So for second solution, so we again write first solution, which is J0. So just write expansion 1 minus x square by 4, write 3 terms, x4 by 64 minus x6 by 2304 etc. Okay, so since roots are equal, so we apply reduction of order, and second solution y2 will be first solution times v. And what is v? So what is v? This is 1 by y1 square e raised to power minus p dx then dx. So now I need to find square of y1 square, or you write j0 square. Okay, so just expand it by binomial theorem, 1 plus x power n, and write 3 terms square. Okay, and so on, and then find its reverse. So find its reverse. Again, apply binomial expansion and write 2-3 terms at least. Okay, so what will be y2? Second solution will be first solution, which is y1 or j0, you can write anything. So, and integral of 1 by y1 square e power minus p dx. And what is p from given equation, which is 1 by x. Okay, so 1 by j0 x square, and this will be e power minus log x, so this will be integral will be 1 by x and then dx. So now plug in the values of 1 by square, so you have 1 by x plus x by 2 plus 5x cube upon 32 dot and then dx. Okay, so now integrate. So this is log x, this is x square by 4, this is 5x4 128 and so on. So you have solution j0x, j0 and y1 both are same. So j0 log x plus j0x x square by 4 plus 5x by 128 and so on. So now I make some manipulation. So I am writing second solution as j0x log x plus x square by x square by 2 square minus x4 by 2 4 factorial 2 square and 1 plus 1 by 2, then x power 6 by 2 power 6 3 factorial square, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 and so on. So we would expect that general coefficient is a to n minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by 2 power 2n factorial n square, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by n. So y2 can be written as j0x log x plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 n plus 1 divided by 2 2n factorial n square, 1 plus 1 by 2 up to 1 by n. So now we take a special linear combination of second solution is given by, so this combination is 2 by pi y2x plus gamma minus log 2 j0x, where gamma is a number known as Euler's constant. Euler's constant, and is defined by, so value of this constant is given by gamma equal to limit n goes to infinity 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by n minus log of n, and this value is nearly 0.5772, and this form of y2 is called Bessel's function of order, Bessel's function of second kind of order 0, and it is also known as Weber's form, and denoted by y0x. So y0x is 2 by pi j0x log x plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n plus 1 2 power 2n factorial n square x power 2n 1 plus 1 by 2 1 by n plus gamma minus log 2 j0x. So I can combine this logarithmic, so I can write 2 by pi log x by 2 plus gamma multiply by j0x, and the rest sum as it is, n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n plus 1 x power 2n 2 power 2n factorial n square 1 plus 1 by 2 up to 1 by n, and general solution is y equal to c1 Bessel's first function and Bessel's function of second kind. So their linear combination is a general solution of given Bessel's equation of order 0. So in that way we can find solution by using reduction of order, and we have made some manipulations in second solution to write standard form of Bessel's function, and we have used the classical approach, that is reduction of order. And now I take one more example. So it says that Bessel's equation of order 1. So this is a small problem. So it says that x square y double prime plus x y prime plus x square minus 1. So p is 1 here. So question is find its singular point, or show that x equal to 0 is a regular singular point. Number 2, show that one solution is which is denoted by J1 x by 2, that you need to show minus 1 power n x power 2n and division n plus 1 factorial n factorial 2 power 2 n. Show that one solution is this, and also show that J1x converges for all x. And fourth part, show that it is impossible to find another solution of the form x inverse bn x power n running from 0 to infinity. So it is impossible to find solution in this form. So we need to prove fourth part. First we will show that x equal to 0 is a regular singular point, then we find a solution, and also we show that this solution converges, and then we find that it is impossible to find another solution in that manner. So firstly we write standard form, so make second derivative free, so 1 by x y dash plus, so what is px here? So px is 1 by x and qx is x square minus 1 upon x square, and you can check that x equal to 0 is a singular point, and limit x goes to 0, x px is finite, and also x square qx. This limit when x approaches to singular point 0, this is also finite, so x equal to 0 is a regular singular point. Okay, so I am solving first part. So now we find second part. So now you need to find solution. So first you assume that y equal to, so why we assume this form? Because x equal to 0 is a regular singular point. If x equal to 0 is an ordinary point, then you take simple a n x power n. Okay, so now plug in all values in given differential equation. So use original differential equation without dividing x square. So, and both are same. So now compute second derivative from series. So n plus r minus 1 a n x n plus r. I'm adjusting x square here. Then x y dash. Okay, then x y dash. So n plus r a n x power n plus r. This is x y dash. Then x square y. So you need to add 2 in power of x power n plus r plus 2. Then minus y a n x power n plus r. Okay, so now club all terms together and make some shifting, or n equal to 0 to infinity. So I'm making x power n plus r. So that is a little bit simplification, and n plus r plus 2, which is third term, will give you. So you need to make lower, replace n with n minus 2. and I have combined all three terms in first. So this is a simplification. After simplification you will get this. So now fit n equal to 0. So first term is this, coefficient of a0, then n equal to 1, and the rest of the terms can be combined, n equal to 2 to infinity. So n plus r square minus 1 an plus an minus 2 multiplied by xn plus r. So first constant give you initial equation. So r square minus 1 equal to 0. So you got same r 1 1. Sorry, 1 or minus 1. R square minus 1. So you have two distinct real roots and their difference is an integer. So difference is an integer, so you may get difficulty to find second solution using power series method. So now we move to write solution. So by taking larger r, so r equal to 1. So we also have a1 equal to 0. And recurrence relation is an equal to, so fit r equal to 1 there, an minus 2, so n plus 1 square minus 1, n equal to 1 to etc. So a1 equal to 0 will give you all odd coefficients, they are 0, and even coefficients you can check that they are given by minus 1 power k a0 division 4m m factorial m plus 1 factorial. So just write a2k, then a2k minus 2 and a2k minus 4 and up to a0. Okay, so first solution is, which is y1 say equal to n0 to infinity, you can write k or n, whatever your choice, minus 1 power n x power 2n division 4 or you can write 2 power 2n, okay, then n factorial, n plus 1 factorial, and x power r, that will be x, and multiply by a0. So to write j1x, we take a0 equal to 1 by 2. So what is j1 is solution? So you can take constantly half or 1 according to your choice. So solution is x by 2, n equal to 0 to infinity, minus 1 power n x power 2n 2 power 2n n factorial n plus 1 factorial. So this is called Bessel's function of first kind of order 1. So Bessel's function of first kind of order 1, and which is the solution of Bessel equation of order 1. And now we move to third part. In third part we need to talk about its convergence. So I am writing nth term, general term, minus 1 power n x power 2n. So Okay, 2 power 2n n factorial n plus 1 factorial. So divide two consecutive terms. Okay, so an plus, so this is an nth term, an plus 1 divided by an modulus, and take limit, apply ratio test to check convergence. So limit n goes to infinity. What you got after cancellation? You got 4 n plus 2 n plus 1. So when n goes to infinity, so this is just 0. So this implies by ratio test J1x converges for all x. In other words, radius of convergence of J1x is infinite, so it converges for every value of the x. And for last part, if I take smaller root r equal to -1, then the recurrence relation is, so you have an equal to minus an minus 2 upon n minus 1 square minus 1, n equal to 2, 3, etc. So if n equal to 2, so what will happen? Two minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, a0 divided by 0. So we cannot calculate, so a2 is not defined. So you cannot proceed further with this r using power series. So we cannot expect, we don't have a power series solution of the form, which form? X power r minus 1 and summation 0 to infinity Pn x power n. However, if I apply reduction of order, then I can get new solution, second solution. Okay, so that solution may have different form, as we have studied with Bessel equation of order 0, and it is very calculative and not easy to find. So this is the end of the chapter, power series solution of second order linear differential equation.